It's the KKK! What the fuck? Hey, welcome back, good looking. Long time no see. Okay, let's mess around, but anyways, Bioshock, we're back. I'm just continuing on from where we left off in last episode. So, yeah, we just got away from a bunch of crazy mofos. They're all a bunch of racists. I know it sounds dumb. It is a Bioshock game, but I genuinely thought that this city was gonna be like just some perfect thing, and then bad dudes come in. But nope, they're racists. Great. Apparently I got a bunch of gear here. I'm not gonna take any of it, because I feel like that's cheating. When I play through the game again, then I'll take it. I feel like I shouldn't take any of this. I feel like this is all cheating. I'm not gonna take any of that.
You'll find that handy in a pinch.
The difference between life and death.
You got a shield up? You got oh, man, thank you. Thank you. Ooh.
What was that?
Surprising.
Surprising that it worked?
Surprising that it didn't kill him.
But a magnetic repulsive field around one's body can come in handy.
If it doesn't kill you.
A fair point.
Okay. Were you trying to kill me? Was that an assassination attempt? Ooh, phone call. What's in here? I don't think I'm supposed to be back here. Nice dress. Am I recording properly? Yes. Perfect. Drink wine? Glug, glug, glug? Where am I going from here? How do I get past you? Gold bar. That's a lot of money. I felt like I wasn't supposed to do that. I feel bad for getting that. Do I have to shoot this lady? Ma'am, please. How do I get... How do I... What?
You missed.
Yeah. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I did miss. I just fired at blank range right next to her. She didn't even flinch. Oh, do I have to take all this stuff before I go? I guess I have to. Salt infusion. Yeah, I'll take that. Sure. Guess I have to take it all.
Already.
I mean, if I'm forced to take it, why not? Increase clip sizes. Oh my god. That's a big old clip. Electric punch. Holy shit. Okay, go soldier. Kill with a big. Oh my god. I'm getting so much. This new hat. I get a hat? Oh, now I can go. Did I even have to take all of those? Oh. Whatever. Alright. Thanks for all the shit. Oh, hot dog. Yes, thank you. Silver Eagles. Nice, nice. Another journal. Yes, please.
Father Comstock called on me today to
Come.
write his biograph. Me. The man pays for exactly 100 pages in advance. Now, I'm half a Jew when I smell silver, so I say, Father, your flock would pay for 1,000. You know, why settle for less? And then the prophet looks to me and says, 100 will suffice, as I know how it ends.
Oh. Alright. Also, I'm not seeing any subtitles for the phony phones thing there. Okay, well, I guess I'm not getting subtitles for that. That kind of stinks. Whatever.
Blood on the streets.
Oh.
And worse is the insult, because today is the day that marks our secession from the slaughter.
Oh, my nose. Also, to that dude who we just listened to, paper guy. Cool. But don't, why are you dissing my Jewish homies? Don't be doing that. There's probably gonna be a lot of racist shit in this game, so I'm not gonna comment on it every time. But, not cool. Not cool, dog. God, my nose. Okay, I'm good. Alright. So they're probably looking for me now. That's not good, huh? Oh, can I jump onto that? Do I jump onto that? That doesn't seem like a smart idea, but I'm gonna do it. Ah! I should not do that. To grab onto a freight hook, look at it, and press base. What is a freight hook? Oh, that's a freight hook.
Damn hook must be magnetized.
Oh my god, that is sick. Zhoop. Zhoop. Oh, hello there. A gun? Sorry, a machine gun? That is very cool. Big fan of that. Hey, birdies. Oh, this guy's... Hey, I'm not here. Holy shit. You're not catching me. Bonk. Nope. How you not dead? Damn, you're a strong man. Where's the turret? Got him. I'm out of salt. I'm out of salt. Run. Run. Holy shit. Give me that pineapple. Fuck yeah. Alright. I'm just gonna keep running. Keep running. Keep moving. Keep moving. Oh my god. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. Bonk. Whew. Bonk. Bonk. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Alright. No, let me go. How about? I don't want to be here. I'm having a great time killing you guys, but this don't seem safe. There's active gunfire. Oh, I need to move on. I need to move on. Let me out of here. Bonk. Hey, you. Get off the roof. This is my roof. Holy shit. Whoop. Nice. I'm not bound for help. Whoop. Can I get in here? I can't get in there. Back this way. Whoop. What's up, everybody? I'm here. This is nice. Ooh. Salt, salt, salt. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so hectic. So I'm guessing with that whole thing on my hand, I'm meant to come here. I don't know how that connects up. I'm sure we'll find out. I'm guessing we're gonna be hunted down, huh? So what's the whole thing about that one girl, huh? Why do I need to save her? Optional quests give you an opportunity to find valuable resources. They alert for a key that may open this chest. Cool. Audio log? Yes, please.
Otis works up at the lodge part-time. He took this box from one of their secret ceremonies, and I know for sure there is something dear inside. Problem is, Otis is more fool than not. He didn't bother to also secure a key from the Feathered Brothers to open the damn thing.
So can I get said key and come back here? Hey. Sorry, I'm not like the rest. I'm a progressive. Oh, you are! Good. Good, good. Racism's bad. Don't be racist, my friend. Come on. No need for that. Alright. I'm out of here. Oh my god. That's how I get across there. Makes sense. What's your mailbox? Stealing your money. Whew. Close the doors. Holy shit. Oh my. A meeting of the Columbia Friends of the Negro Society. And so the Negro is equal? None of us are equal. That's true. I mean, yeah. Progressives, what's up? There's so many pineapples. I love pineapples. Pineapples are great. What's up, everybody? Everyone's gone. Oh, hey, don't mind me.
The one they're after. Go. They're looking for you.
They are.
Police, we're in need of your assistance.
Oh, sorry. Oh, shit.
Your voice down.
Sorry, I'm just stealing your stuff. Don't mind me. Wait, no, you guys are cool. I'm out of here. Woo. These guys are cool. They're not ratting me out. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of them. What's the plan? Cook up a little trap. Holy shit. Bonk, 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 bonk. Okay. Bro, you are getting crapped on, my friend. I'm getting crapped on. Hide, hide. Hey, guys, run. Run. I'm sorry. Where am I going? Left. It's another one of those big-ass dudes. Run! Run! I'm dead. I'm gonna die. Let me in, let me in, let me in. Oh. This is a very big aesthetic change. A Demus Patria Nostra Defendere. Huh? I don't know. I don't know any of that. This is spooky. I'm a little spooked. Hello? Hello? I'm just being chased by the police. I'm hoping you're not bad. John Wilkes Booth. Ooh. Yeah, some not so fun stuff happened there. What is with the birds? Can I come in here? Hey, folks. Oh, shit! Sorry. Oh my god. It's a gunfight now, I guess. Maybe those are all innocent people. Maybe I'm a monster. My bad. Okay, Comstock.
Angel Columbia gave unto the founders the tools to build a new Eden. They did so without hesitation. For 85 years they prepared the way of the Lord. But when the great apostate came, he brought war with him, and the fields of Eden were soaked with the blood of brothers. The only emancipation he had to offer was death.
Oh, that doesn't sound good. No, that sounds good. Is this a new gun? That's what I already have. What the fuck is that thing? What is that sound outside? Sounds like something big and scary. Oh. Oh my. What's with all the crows? Maybe the crows are cool. Maybe I'm misjudging. You guys are shitting all over the table. That's very improper. Learn your manners. Okay.
The prophet led us into pain.
Ooh.
Demonstrated to the solemn below the true mission
Oh.
and when the man
What the fuck?
hypocrites of Washington
What is any of this?
he did not come crawling for their forgiveness.
It's the KKK. What the fuck? Can I even take them on? I can't. I don't got enough salt. I'm gonna sneak past if possible. There's salts over here. Oh. This is... There's some cult shit. I don't like any of this. This is fucked. There's some health kit. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, now I have some salt to fight with. Hey guys! Fuck you! Fuck all of ya! Fuck all of ya! You guys suck! You guys suck! You guys suck big balls! You guys suck huge honkers! Get out of here! Oh, buddy, you're gonna hide up here, huh? Really? Really? Come on. You're gone! Get out of here! I'll kill you, bro! Don't test me! Ooh! Bonk. What? You're still up! Holy shit! Okay, I think I just went down an entire cult for God and country. That's George Washington. Yeah. Oh, and they got all the other races here just begging. Oof. I don't really like these guys. There's a key. The key belonged to a violent racist. Very nice. Very nice. We also got some more shield. That's really gonna come in handy. Because I'm gonna get shot a lot. Surprise. I'm heading back to that chest. I want to see what's in it. Can I still get out of this place? I can't. Ooh. Oh! Holy shit, you're a big one. You're a big guy. You're a big guy. You're a big guy. Where do I go? Oh my god. Holy shit. Ah! 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 Run! Sorry, folks. Sorry about this. Oh my god. I'm intruding. Sorry, I'm fucking up your place again. Oh my god, I'm a terrible person. What's in... This way. Bring me up, Johnny. Scotty. I don't know the show. Whoop! Whoop! Nice, I'm back. What's in the chest? What's in the KKK chest? What's in it? Infusion. Ooh, I need a salts one. Hold more shit. Hell yeah. Perfect. I got places to be. Oh! Oh! My bad. Alright. Hey, at least didn't burn the place down. They got fireproof carpet in here. Lovely. Okay, I want to check out what's in this building here. Alright, what's down in this place? Nothing but terrific things, huh? Yeah. Yeah. And some cultist church that's oddly shaded from the outside, and it's got crows and shit everywhere. Literal crow shit, bird shit everywhere. You guys hear that, right? There's like breathing. Austin, up the volume so they can hear it. Okay, cool. Hello?
1 o'clock this afternoon, the scoundrel, believed now by many to be Vox Populi,
Vox Populi?
began his terrible rampage.
Today.
Trouble began almost instantly. Full of wrath and bent on harm, the anarchist maliciously wounded several Colombian peacemakers, before then arming himself and firing into an assemblage of virtuous fairgoers.
They're talking about man.
As of this hour, he is considered wholly responsible for causing at least 8 God-fearing Colombians to meet their maker in heaven.
Ah.
He is considered brimming with danger and evil intent, and we implore you.
Hey, they shot first, okay? Hey.
Him without aid of Colombia's
Shut up.
finest. Now, back to the music.
They got bulletproof radios. Perfect. Okay, that was a hectic-ass episode, but I'm gonna stop episode 3 there. I want to keep these ones short and sweet, so that I can pump out a lot of episodes very quickly. I'm gonna go down to this next area at the very beginning of the next episode. Again, I better see you there. Yeah? Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Definitely do that. You're cool. Alright. Peace, guys. Adios.